Wix just dropped their Q3 earnings, and the story isn't just about their core business anymore. There's a new player that's absolutely exploding, and it's changing everything about how we think about software creation. Stick around because what's happening with BASE44 is going to blow your mind, and I'm counting down the top 10 things you need to know. Coming in at number 10, Wix raised their full-year outlook significantly. They are now guiding for bookings growth of 13 to 14% year-over-year, up from the previous 11 to 13% expectation. Revenue guidance also shifted upward to 14% growth. This isn't just a minor adjustment, it's a signal that something fundamental is working in their business model, and much of the strength is coming from their newest acquisition. At number 9, we're seeing incredibly strong transaction growth. Transaction revenue accelerated to 20% year-over-year growth, driven by 13% growth in gross payment volume and an elevated take rate. Merchants are increasingly choosing Wix payments, and this commerce momentum shows that the platform isn't just about building websites anymore, it's becoming a comprehensive business solution. Number 8 brings some disappointment for those waiting on innovation. The much-anticipated new flagship product for self-creation has been delayed again, now pushed to early 2026. Originally expected this summer, the delay stems from technical challenges with integrating new AI technologies. While frustrating, CEO Avishai Abrahami says seeing it in their labs gives him confidence the wait will be worthwhile. At number 7, investors should brace for margin pressure in the near term. BASE44 is creating short-term headwinds on both operating profit and free cash flow as the company incurs startup costs and growth investments while revenue ramps slowly. The misalignment between when costs hit versus when bookings materialize is creating temporary financial friction. Number 6 highlights a critical difference in business models. BASE44 users are predominantly on monthly subscription plans, a stark contrast to Wix's core business, where over 80% of users are on annual or longer duration plans. This creates a linear bookings trajectory for BASE44 versus Wix's front-loaded model, affecting cash flow timing, but not long-term value. Coming in at number 5, there's great news on the cost front. AI processing and compute costs are declining rapidly as large language models improve and competition intensifies. Wix is already seeing decreases and expects this to accelerate. Plus, new BASE44 users consume more AI tokens during initial app building, but recurring users cost much less to serve, improving margins over time. At number 4, Wix didn't hold back on marketing investments. They scaled BASE44 marketing efforts above their initial August plan after seeing stronger-than-expected demand. The TROI, or true return on investment, has been very encouraging even this early, though it's not fully reflected in the profit and loss statement yet due to the monthly subscription dynamics. Number 3 is absolutely explosive. BASE44 now serves over 2 million users worldwide, more than 7 times what they had at the end of June. That translates to over 1,000 new paying subscribers joining daily. This kind of adoption curve is rare and shows that vibe coding, the ability to build software using natural language instead of traditional programming, is resonating with a massive audience. At number 2, Wix increased their BASE44 revenue target. They now expect BASE44 to achieve at least $50 million in annual recurring revenue by year-end, up from previous expectations. This is remarkable for a business acquired just 5 months ago and demonstrates that the AI-powered application building market is even larger than anticipated. And the number 1 takeaway is BASE44's market dominance. In just a few months, BASE44 captured over 10% of audience traffic to AI-powered application builders, skyrocketing from low single digits in June. This market share grab in such a short time frame is unprecedented and positions Wix as a leader in what could be a market many times larger than website creation itself. Avishai compared this moment to Wix's founding in 2006 when they democratized website creation. Now they're doing the same for software applications, and the addressable market is exponentially bigger because businesses need multiple apps but only one website. This could be the biggest opportunity in Wix's history. Drop your thoughts on Wix in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more earnings analysis from Earnings Central.